Impetuous as ever, my foolish little brother. You know, What? The fuck?
I don't know what just happened. The gun just shot itself.
Well, I appreciate the enthusiasm, but I'd like to gloat a bit before we kill these rats.
Noted. Whatever that was, won't happen again.
As I was saying...
My foot! You shot my foot! Oh my god, you shot my foot! You shot it! I need that to walk, you idiot!
Yikes! You know what? Forget the monologue. Let's just kill them while there's still enough of me left to fight!
Got it.
Gubo, wait! Wait till Herman hears about this. You son of
How the hell are you this heavy? Twink Buddy's not supposed to be this heavy. We'll get to you next time.
맞아. 딱 내가 예상한 대로잖아.